Yeah.
Working all the way down. So you got bend mode.
Yeah.
And it'll bend all the way up to about, I think, 140 degrees.
Yeah. So you can do a hem.
Yeah, and then
Yep.
you can fold into a hem. And then it's also got this slitter. And it's got laser eye.
Proximity.
Well, yeah, like if
Yeah.
you break the contact.
Yeah. Okay, so infrared, yeah. So start up.
F2,
Calibrate.
Then you're ready. Go into edit.
Edit.
Puts it into inches.
Yeah.
And then fucking, this is manual mode.
Yeah.
So this is to get the back gauge back to the middle,
Okay.
and then you calibrate it. Right now it's set to 90 degrees bend
Yeah.
and 8.8 inches open.
Yeah.
This is your slitter.
Okay.
So if you want to slit something, you set that to 100 and this will clear.
Okay.
And all right, what else can we do here? So
Just a quick startup type
this
thing.
is, yeah,
Okay, that's bringing the beam down.
bringing the beam down, bringing the beam up, and then to run just in manual mode off of the control panel.
Yeah.
This is to initiate start. Oh.
Okay, that's your bending beam.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is bending beam. But if it's in this mode, this is your slitter mode.
Okay.
And it's the same thing.
Okay.
Folder. And this is just all
That's
manual
your slitter,
mode.
yeah. Okay. Perfect.
All right.
That's about it. Nutshell.
Pretty much it.